Hi guys, so today we are going to talk about all of the play buttons from YouTube. And before that, make sure you like and subscribe to me and my friends. It would really help us out. Anyways, let's go! Alright, so first we have this Silver Play Button Award. It's given to a channel that reaches 100,000 subscribers, but it's mistaken in the image. So yeah, that's the Silver Play Button. It's gone to different versions, and it even have a better design every time it gets a new version. You have to remind me whenever I have that. Next, we now have this Golden Play Button Award. It's given to a channel that reaches 1 million subscribers. It also gone into different versions, and here's how it all goes. Whenever you get there, you will get your second award. And the first award ever official is the Silver Play Button. Alright, so next we have is the Diamond Play Button. It's given to a channel that reaches 10 million subscribers. It's kind of like the Silver Play Button, but without a frame. It also gone into different versions too. It also have featured the YouTube logo on its back. Yeah, this is so great. And make sure to like if you're enjoying it so far. So next we got the 50 million play button. It's custom, and the first ever one to get it is PewDiePie. That's how it happened. And I hope this is getting better now. You can guys help me get to my first ever 1,000 subscribers. Next we have is the Red Diamond Play Button. It's given to the YouTuber that reaches 100 million subscribers. We would like it if we get a better amount of this, I think. We can help this out with the other YouTubers who still want to earn it. So let's help them out. Next, I'd like to call this the Nano Play Button that is the color red. And this is how the play button looks like. It's given to a YouTuber that reaches 200 million subscribers. Next up is this unofficial named play button, and it's supposed to be the Emerald Play Button. This is given to a YouTuber that reaches 300 million subscribers. Next up, we have this Nano Purple Play Button. It's given to a YouTuber that reaches to 400 million subscribers. So it will take a while to get it for you YouTubers. So try your very own best. Welcome aboard for the 2026 Play Button. This is where it gets getting to Mr. Beast that reaches to 500 million subscribers. I hope you guys enjoy this video today. We can help me out get those play buttons soon, so help me out by subscribing. Anyways, bye for now.